Alright, go ahead.
Open your awesome present.
Open your present.
Don't stop jumping around. Open it. Start opening. Oh, wow.
Rip it open.
Tear it open.
Rip it on the back. Just rip that thing open.
You don't want it.
Of course you don't.
Rip it fast.
Rip it fast, like rip it in half.
Open it up. Open it.
What a cool present.
Open your present.
Open your awesome present.
What is it? Oh! All right! Here!
Alright, give him his other one. Just put it down. Give him his other one. Yeah, give him his other one. Sit down. We will. Just here, this is yours. That was Daddy's joke.
Tell him it's a joke. I know what that one could be. What is it?
Dylan, chill out. Let him open it himself.
What is it? Get on, you can slide it
Dylan,
off.
just let him do it.
Okay.
Turn it over.
Turn it over, Dalton. Dalton, turn it over.
Dylan,
Is that a car?
you gotta hold it up and show Dad what it is after you figure it out.
Turn it over. What is it?
Cool.
Angry Birds. That's what I wanted.
Angry Birds. And a Barbie.
Cool.
That is awesome. Look, the bird shoots into the pig.
Mom, can I play with it today?
Of course.